Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly open your terminal with a shortcut. So I'm pressing the shortcut right now and it opens your terminal with a shortcut. It seems very easy, but there's a few workarounds you have to do to be able to get this result. So I'm going to show you two versions with two different speeds, and we'll compare them later in the video. So first of all, head to your hard drive, you head to user, to your username, and here you have to make sure that in show in the view you have even items checked. You can go to AppData Local. From here you go to Microsoft, and then we go to WindowsApps. All the way at the bottom here we have wt, which is our terminal execute file. So just make sure you have it there. Then we are going to go right click, show more options, and create a shortcut. Now we have a shortcut from the execute that we can move to our desktop. Alright, now on our desktop we have our wt shortcuts. If you press right click, properties, here on the shortcut you can actually enter the shortcut that you want. So let's do Ctrl-Shift-E, apply, and OK. Now if I do Ctrl-Shift-E, it will open my terminal. Alright, the speed at which it opens will of course depend on your computer configuration. So we'll see the next method in just a few seconds. Alright, for the second method, so we will need to open a node with these lines in it. So I will leave this available as a GitHub link and also in the description of this video. And this one, when we save it, we have to make sure, so we're going to put it on the desktop, and for example I'm going to call it shortcut terminal notepad, and just make sure that you end up with a .bat file, and then we hit save, and right here instead of a text file it's going to create a builder file. This one, when we launch it by clicking on it, it will open the terminal as well, as you can see right here. So there's an additional step we need to link this to a shortcut, and that's going to be Windows PowerToys, Microsoft PowerToys, sorry. So you open this, you go to the keyboard manager, and right in here you'll see that you can remap shortcuts to your keyboard. So I'm going to create a new one just to show you. You do add shortcut remapping. Here you do open URL on the action, and from here we are going to grab the actual URL from the path of our folder, so of our builder file. So right click on it, do copy as path, and paste it inside the path URL right here. So after this is done, you can press OK, and just make sure you enter your shortcut here. So let's do Ctrl-Shift-F. OK, and now we hit OK, and from here this file is going to open when I do Ctrl-Shift-F, and it will also open the terminal right here. Alright, so in this file, when we actually look at the code, you can actually change the delay. So I think this will depend on the speed of your computer. I change it to 1, I save the file, and I do Ctrl-Shift-F again. You'll see that it takes a bit longer to open. Maybe it's more visible if I do it 3. Yeah, now this will stay open for some time because it has a delay. For me, that I don't need it to be that short, so I'll just put it to 0.1, and this opens it very fast. So now we can compare the speed of our Ctrl-Shift-E and our Ctrl-Shift-F method. So Ctrl-Shift-E will use a property shortcut, and it took quite some time this time. If I close it and now I do Ctrl-Shift-F, and this one is quite faster. So Ctrl-Shift-E, that's the slow one, which is directly from the property, and Ctrl-Shift-F is the fast method with the bat file. There you go.